Hi everybody, good day to you. This video is going to be a slight departure from my normal content. I've got a couple toys and gifts and things of that nature that I want to share with everybody. First off, I have to apologize. There is a gift that I got that I forgot to bring today, and it's a very high-powered head-mounted flashlight. I used it yesterday and the thing was absolutely fantastic, but because I used it and already unboxed it, I failed to bring it today, so I can't feature that particular light. However, I'll have that light show up in a video or two and I can make mention of that. But gift number one that I got a hold of is a replacement for my damaged and aged multimeter that has failed me on more than one occasion. This right here is a Fluke Model 88, a very premium level multimeter geared towards automotive function. And I believe these are specifically made for use in the automotive world. So right out of the box, we've got some instructions, a service manual, some warranty info, and then the big dog. The functions all appear to be similar to what I'm used to. It's got an alarm, different ranges. There's going to be a lot to learn for me on this particular meter, but this is supposed to be the best of the best of the best, the Fluke 88. Ooh, and it's got a nice set of leads. Look at these bad boys. Very good. So this is going to be a fantastic addition to the toolbox, and I hope it serves me well for many years to come. Now, next up on the list is a good old snap-on box. This thing is a gift to myself. This is my yearly really cool tool that I decide I want to buy myself. I got a deal on this. This tool is about 3 years old, and it was purchased, placed in a toolbox, never used again, and then repossessed by the Snap-on man. And I happened to see it sitting on his dash. I impulse bought this for myself as a seasonal gift. And what this guy is an infrared thermal meter. It's a thermal imager, actually. This is kind of like the stuff you see in police footage from the helicopters, where they're scanning the woods. Let's see if I can find something good to look at here. Yep, there's a pair of chairs. And it will show up. The image doesn't last long, or I don't know how to use it yet, but it basically thermal images whatever the screen is pointing at. I hope my cam picks this up and does it some justice. There we go. Let's see, maybe if I hold this closer, and I can adjust the sensitivity on this bad boy. I'm hoping I can use this to find electrical problems, air leaks, fluid leaks, things like that. It appears to be quite sensitive. I called my wife and I told her that I bought it, or that I bought something. She says, "Was it a gun?" And I said, "Well, it has a trigger." And then she gave me that grumbly sound, and I said, "Don't worry, it's not a gun, it's a tool. It'll be fine." And so she kind of relaxed. I haven't showed it to her yet, but I think she'll like it. Okay, next up on the list, I have the Holy Grail here. The Holy Grail of all gifts. And this gift was sent to me straight from YouTube. Now, I've got some personal info on it, so I'm going to cover that up. It has my home address and things of that nature. But I believe this is what I think it is, which is my YouTube bachelor degree. The play button. Oh my, that's it. That is indeed the play button. Look at that. pull it out of the packaging. This thing is brilliant. Presented to Rayman Raves Repairs for passing 100,000 subscribers. The silver play button. I never in my life thought I would get a hold of something like this. And it's because of all of you guys that YouTube has sent this to me. And so from me to you, very sincerely, I say thank you. Okay, everybody. That is going to about wrap it up for the day. I did get a letter that came along with this, but that's between me and YouTube, so I'm not going to read that out loud. You know, I just realized that I have just done my first ever unboxing video. I didn't actually intend to do an unboxing, but it appears that that is how this one has developed. So let me know what you guys think about my unboxing strategy down in comment land. Alrighty, everybody, I'm gonna wrap this up. Before I go, head down, if you could, head down into comment land and let me know what you guys think about my unboxing strategy. I would certainly appreciate it, because maybe I'll do more of these. That being said, again, and as always, thank you guys for watching. Most importantly, have yourselves a great day. Take care.